I've explained it before, but I'm going to explain what I'm doing here. I've got power coming in through here, and you can't see it, but this wire goes to a box over there, a small 4-inch box, about that big, and so I've got power from there, and that box is tied into the box outside where the breaker is. So I've got power coming in through here. What I did was I hooked up this outlet and made it hot, so that I could have power at least to here. And then I've got power going up through here to this box, this 4x4 box, and then the power goes up through here through this middle wire, and I've got an X marked on it so that I know that that is going to my switches in the barn. So this wire carries the power up to here, and then I've got the power going up to here. Very difficult to see it. I'll turn on this light so you can see it. But I've got the power going up to here. Right there. And I've disconnected that so that I can eventually work on this area up here. So it's going to take a while to figure that out, because it goes to a bunch of switches and then goes to the power over to the barn. And here's my switches here. That the power eventually will go to, and that wire goes up through there over to where I was just showing you a little bit ago, where that light is up there, right up there.